The governor of Imo State, wey be Hope Uzodinma, no be small thing o. They say the man don send the armor tank come give some community for Imo State as the election approach. No be small thing. They say the intimidation wey dey give the indigenes of Imo State for that community, say the thing don too much o. As we dey talk like this, so they say Hope Uzodinma don even adopted the one of the chairman for inside the Labour Congress. No be small thing. Mo go look into how this thing take happen o. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time we dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Ebeni Kwezioku. And if you know say I never give this page a follow, wetin you dey wait for? And if you know say you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you quickly do so and turn your notification bell, because we are here to bring you ogbonge news as e dey hot. Yeah my people, let's jump into the matter wey we get for our hand today. We no go waste your time. We go just talk and sharparly and bring the evidence we come out, and so we dey do am now. They say for Imo State now, they say armor tank don full everywhere, military don full everywhere for Imo State as e dey hot. Some villages now they go just dey na be like say they dey for state of whether na war con dey go on there, we no con know. I say na armor tank some military personnel with the kind of bunigwe where they own self carry they waka for Imo State. This thing is happening in Imo State as we dey talk right now. You say all corner na military. As the thing dey hot o, now we say abeg more na try capture one. At least more know wetin we go show our people, say see wetin dey happen o. We go play this video make you see as their military they move inside some our villages for Imo State. We'll watch the video together, then we'll come back and continue. My people, no be small thing, no. If we see movement, yeah, oh, this one, if you see movement, no be small thing. They may need, you see thousands of military wey just enter inside this village like this. That village you go hear winsha. Move the watch, wetin go happen now. Shebi our army, Biafra Liberation Army, dey there. They go protect the people now. Everybody have hope for where Biafra Liberation Army dey now as e dey hot. We believe say they go do something, sha. Yeah, my people, let's quickly look into this matter. What they happen today? They say that Hope Uzodinma don adopt Nigeria Labour Congress, National Congress President. No be small thing, no. Move go look am as they take talk am. They say breaking Nigeria Labour Congress say that the national president Joe Ajaro adopted by the governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma, in police commissioner. Hey, no be smart, you know. You see this election for Imo State. It no go be there, it no go be easy. As it don't they happen, boom, 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 for everywhere, non-government everywhere. This one, Nigeria Army everywhere, police everywhere. This one everywhere. It go red though, but however, with the watch, we are here to bring you Ogbenge news. Only the way you go do now to follow this page and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you no go miss one of our updates, because most of una wey dey for inside Imo State sef no dey even know wetin dey happen. Wey dey for east no dey even know wetin dey happen sef. So we are here to bring you the Ogbenge news as e dey hot. Now we dey bring I come give you. Abeg, may you no forget to share this video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, please.